What's up, Dirk? What's up, Golden? What's up, Goldilocks? That my Goldilocks, baby. Listen, MSU Bullies and Havens Homestead. And we doing big things, baby. That's right. Come on, Belly. Come on, Juju. Let's feed these babies. Up, up. Got that chicken tree. Chicken tree. We got that chicken tree. Dang, Grimly. Where you come from, Grimlito? What the hell is that turkey doing? In case you don't know, man, I look like Crizzo because I've been working my biz off. With my leg starting to turn colors. Anyway, I've been busy, baby. Getting it done. Getting it done right. No time out. Y'all chicken wants a piece out. Who wants some food? I got some chicken food for chicken food. Chicken food for chicken food. That's right. Jojo! Where you at, Carolina? Jimmy John. Andy, we only got one of these things of scratch. And this shit's gone already. The rest of it is all for the Quail. Quail food. Which we got a lot of quail, so I'm looking for the corn to give them tonight. Get your head out of there. One hand in it. Let's dig it. Damn, y'all ate more than I put in there by hand. Come on, guys, let's go eat. Hey, I found all the females. Four-wheeling. There's some four-wheelers. What's up, chicken heads? Y'all want some feed? Let's get some feed in the bellies. Let's get these big boys up. Over here. Hey, guys. Snoop doggy dog. Stop, did you? Come on, guys. I got some a whole bunch of guineas I'm fixing to let loose. They're coming out. It's either today with the other chickens or tomorrow. Hey, chocolate. Chickalootie. Come get it, chicken heads. Hey, move, Jojo. Move. Hey, chicken. You want in? Come on. Move, Jojo. Move, Jojo. Piss me off. Got a bunch of the roosters. That's what I'm trying to do, get some roosters out the way. Come on, guys! Little bit! Where you at, little bit? Little bit! Hey, chickens! Hey, chickens! Hey, chickens! Hey, chickens! Hey, look. Hey, chickens! Hey, chickalootie. Chickalootie. Dude, you can't eat out the bell. Little bit. I don't know where the hell she's at. Juju, get out of there. Come on, turkeys. Hey, chickens. Little bit. Come here, girl. Come on in there, Turk. Come on, chickens. Where'd you do? Hey, chickens. What the hell, dude? They feed you for you just to get out. Come on, guys, up. Hey, chickens. Alright, I'm shutting the door. Y'all gonna be freezing y'all's ass off tonight, I tell y'all that much. Playing these stupid games, winning stupid prizes. I'm shutting the door, yeah, get away from her. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Alright. Y'all gonna be some cold ass chickens, I know that. Little dude. You don't mess with Tuffy. Come on, guys. Hey, chickalootie. Hey, chickalootie. Here we go, chicken heads. Where my chicken heads? Where my chicken heads? Where my chicken heads? Where my chicken heads? Where my chicken head? Where my chicken head? Where my chicken heads? 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 Where are all my chicken heads? Heads! Hey, chicken heads! Come on up in there, chicken heads! Hey, chicken! Move, Juju! Hey, check-a-loaded. Check, keep your chicken on the run. Come on, chickens. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. What the hell's your problem when you're running out? I don't shut the freaking door, I know that. Y'all taking too long, man. I ain't got y'all's time or patience. Y'all want to sleep outside? It's your damn choice. Maybe you cut down on the budget. Jojo! Where you at? Junior, get your ass over here. Little bit. Where you be, little bizzle? What's up, chicken head? Goddamn chicken man's gonna blow your damn head off. The plague man's still kicking back. Cadillac looking fatter than ever. Little bit. Where the hell's my little bit? Little bit. Where you at, chicken head? Where my little bit, man? Hey, get off my girl like that, man. You're gonna suffocate the bra. Little bit! Little bit! Where you at, Chicken Little? Come on, little bit. Man, there's some assholes. See, the girls gotta let that door open so the girls can get in. The smart ones anyway. Come on, little bit. Come on, little busy rizzy for shizzy. Little busy. Little bit. Bring it to the house. Bring it to it now. Slim Shady to the Brady for Razy. Aye, y'all, that's the mayhem that it takes to put these babies in their piss age. I need to get back in because I ain't got no shoes and I ain't got no jacket and it's getting cold. Juju, now, up. Thanks for watching and God bless y'all. I'll show you the nastiest, the realest, the happiest, all the real stuff. When I put raw, that's unedited. God bless you. You can do anything you want. Peace! Lee.